Okay, on day one, when you take over an existing store like that, what are maybe the first 2 or 3 things that you're always going to do to bring that store up to speed as far as you feel it should be? What are the first couple things you do immediately?
So two of the three that I have taken over existing laundromats, we gutted completely. We even changed the layout. Sometimes we even added new pits.
Okay.
But I'll actually go in there and actually completely remove everything. We changed walls, we changed layout, we changed the mix because in my opinion, if you can't put 880s in the laundromat, it isn't worth building. So a lot of times, like they might have 260s will be the biggest, or even 240s will be the biggest laundry equipment they have in there. And I don't use top loaders. So sometimes, with existing top loaders, you got to change the infrastructure
Right.
because they do pump drains instead of, gravity drain.
Yeah.
But yeah, I got them. Even the ones that, even the one that we bought that we didn't get because it had quite a bit of new equipment, we still changed the layout. We added some machines. We took out some machines, and we completely changed the interior, completely. I even get so nitpicky that if a wall's not straight, I have it tore out and we re-put it in straight. Like I said, I get really fanaticky because it's the little things that people see, that they process subconsciously, but they don't even maybe notice.
Right.
So,
Right.
I wish I could show you pictures of the store. And matter of fact, I had a manager that didn't understand what the hell we were doing. I said, just wait till it's done. And I would tell you the day he would say, that was right.
Right.
He
Right.
said,
And like you said, a lot of times it's just subliminal stuff. You don't realize, you just know that the feeling is different once you've done it, once you've made the change. And
yeah,
the
the
customers
community
can
loves
feel
it
that.
too. Actually, if you take one that is actually pretty well attended
Mhm.
and they notice, they start telling their friends, that laundromat jumped up because it wasn't a zombie mat. Like they didn't completely
Mhm.
push all the customers out, but and the customers that were still going that probably weren't thrilled with it
Mhm.
were probably telling their neighbors how much better it was getting.
Mhm.
And like I said, and that's even different too. You take over a zombie mat, it's got such a bad reputation. And I've done it. I've taken over
Mhm.
dead laundries, and those are always harder to bring back because it just
Mhm.
takes a longer time because people drive by it, they've already written it off, and they
Mhm.
don't even see it anymore. So,
Right.
and you don't have a good strong customer base that can spread the word of mouth. Like you got to grow it from scratch organically.
Right.
You would even
You gotta
say,
change habits. Yeah.
I'll tell you right now, it is a lot easier to build a brand new store and become profitable than to take over a shitty zombie mat that has, when I'm saying the worst kind, where they have
Mhm.
driven everybody out, the change machine
Right.
robbed, 80% of the machines are down. When you
Yeah.
take over a store like that, the reputation
Mhm.
is there and people have just written it off. Even if someone says get nicer, well, it's got to get a hell of a lot nicer, and they don't realize that you're retooling the whole thing. But I do know from experience that taking over a decent store, they usually come up really good. Taking over a crappy store, not they take they take a year. You just got to get past that bad reputation. But when you build a
Yeah.
new store,
Mhm.
new store's crapshoot. You could be, I've had them be profitable month one. I've had them be profitable in 6 months, but
Mhm.
it's
Mhm.
still faster than taking over a dirt pile.
Right. Right.